Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the paint code location is on this 2006 Ford 500. If this video is helpful, can you just smash that thumbs up button for me? Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Really helps me out a lot when people do that. So we're going to come over here to the driver's side. Open our door here. And then right down here, you see this tag here that's got a bunch of information. So our paint code is right here. It says EXTPNT, exterior paint, and then YZ. See right there. This also has your interior trim code and lots of other information here that you can find useful. So if this video is helpful, can you just smash that thumbs up button for me? Leave a comment down below. It really helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.